Adom 106.3. Now what chaba pa osema edumiensa. Medical catcher say Central Medical Stores. Bibia ni wiase mu a ebema metwa sa case so. Debia nya fa be wosokra from next week debia me remind them penifo. And no any diabetes for sika no. Debia me remind them penifo. Abshay debia mehia mpanifo bia menim won a me ben won pania twetwuro mpania kese pa aya sama wo ka kire me no ya na ye me de so kwadwe hwe ewiase aye wo no men wia aban sika men fom manye japade da ene number 1 tembia no so hwe se wo ni nyankopon tem ye de aka no forget it ensem you no ka na debia me fakrata bia eba Central Medical Stores bia na mera ho debia me fa bia na mera ho say enti on my ben pa na yetimu yin absia on my ben pa na yetimu yin ya wo ye pa yesi hey wano ya wo ko ka pa yesi hey akwa na no ya obeyew na menyaw mindidi ema menyaw na menya dan toda niam ne bi ho a wo tena se na wo dwene ho a wo nti ase o panie ye de wonipa panie a ye de wonipa yi eye 70 cents enti yes 22.5 million Ghana cedis ekoto panie be ye den panie o panie no me ketwa se panie ho asem ana ewo ho no enya asem ketwa sika yemfa nkoto nromra na ema ne nyima na wako hospital doctors dey say nro ne behwe won no enipo kakra nro ne ba ya o se me wura fi me de akokra panie abusia we osheda Jessica was your contract kokra nro a manyimo a oko hospital na de duro na ma no because free maternal health care no ho oba na nyim na oko hospital you free anyama ne ba na kwate anu a panie 22.5 million Ghana cedis 220 billion ya de kokra panie enti panie ne bedru ye no na yakra bi dada ma bia hospital bia ne panie sese koina no ekodada enti ne sese na panie no aye waste yakobisa ho asama ejatom eho ne ja ne hyase be bia panie ne gu no eho ene eja no hyase be bia panie no kogu ye no eho pepepe ha kubegu you eho ena eja no hyase na da eja ne to ho no that day na nkasa na eja no to ho no papa ba ko frɛ acting head of the Central Medical Stores e fani Drisu me sem me kyerɛw emire na na ma kyerɛw sie ku na mkotu so papa ne fani Drisu ona na ye acting head our Central Medical Stores and also nipa fa so me am ya we say eja na to ho dada no say ye no ohwe say the assembly si kodo and of friend deputy national security coordinator no born amane say the ade ni si kodo 5 officers na wo hone tenders na horu so ati o mu here reinforcement for na ba no na kwan nam ekwan enam intercessor so be to pick up me catch now last Monday no the pick up ni di fire tender nanim pick up mom na ebo kwan ama fire tender na nkrofo that the car esisi kwan nim enti tender no beduru no na sese wo twen kakra fire service report no me kam wasam a kiro ne orobe ho first point already you say fire safety measures are what the man na ɛyɛ Ministry of Health nyinaa no pete pin wondi ba kokora so enti Central Medical Stores na wonni fire extinguisher. Central Medical Stores, there was no fire extinguisher, not one. Not one. Eti ejane ba ye no na de nipa ba ye ensuo na na omso wo sesa guso ensuo aye di go chemical so. Number 2, fire service for no kodru ho no na wontumi ndum gya no wontumi mban gya no ho cause na nwusie na no fire service for de hye wo mo hwene se na ba ye nwusie nkɔ ne hwenim na onwu na woni bi so wontumi mban gya no ade kata ye hwene keke kyekere ye hwene. Eti etoda be sha fire service for no bia de bia mo hankies be 3 or 4 shom botom ejan shipa na de bia bɔ ne hwene oni ade hye ne hwene enti ejan to mo okoduru ho no na ade be kata wo hwene so na woni bi wonso wo ye nipa wo wan hwe ya beka say na ada na mo ye na mo gya na hye na on gya ma ne hye na nkonya de wonko wu et niema sese odi ye adwuma no na odi dum gya no na ade keke de kata ni pa hwene no de dumja na bi ni ho de atoso miensa fire service for penifo say eye wo mo wanwa pa say few hours to the time a jane be share na tenders hydrant na hori na nsuo wom enso wo koye no na fire hydrant 7 na wo ho no 6 eye empty enso ko kura nsom afei Ghana water for line a pumping suo no ebegu enum no so na ya block no ye de o se wo se de bini ene ya cheche ne polythene bag ye de awuram saa wo ma bod ma se biu kasa biu na shem kofo dewa enti suo no mabiom enti se wo ma de ade ne kotua no na ya twebom se puna a paisa it's not a fire service for no my helpless eni pa sheda no ye eni pa sheda me se awu asem panie tofom ho yete ye be wura ni na gu ho panie etofom yete paya ya na fe aye se nwuran ba wo de ma me nkwa ahoma no so na me ne Alhaji Enua Yusuf oye member our management committee of the Central Medical Stores. Alaj, what's the name coming watching?
Captain Smart, good morning.
Na I to say. Okay. Yan so nyame adom ye ho ye pa. Alaj, Central Medical Stores e na she here.
Captain Smart said the me who the my she man say he changed some amount of syringes and prices.
Pacho,
so it took over.
Pacho boyan kakra. Strangers na ye strangers ben. Na ye prices ben na judge ma kwase sa abo no man ye chinchinchi sa no pacho chechim ho no ma yentie.
And well, this a ministry information, but say the casino there's a lot of information and misinformation about CMS outside, so I go under that to say the same person me explaining. Your committee take you over on the 7th January 2014. Now you see a committee, 5 members from Kolebu Teaching Hospital, represent Teaching Hospital. Now me representing Ministry of Health. Now one Bagose representing Ghana Health Service. Now one person from the private sector, only chairman.
Okay.
The first meeting, na yenya krata from Honorable Sharia Ite say, audit report actually say syringes be a war Central Medical Stores. Syringes no ho ache obia ampe because a complex you see because we have infection control. Almost say nurses no mo inject here controlling of sharp no a problem which is a genuine problem. And the syringes no we are no e was on fan to crack abimu so that it will not infect anybody because of HIV.
Okay.
It is a syringes near complex syringes are watching a draw guma, you can't push it back to expel air. Wow. Your nurses and so on are used to pulling the syringe and push it back to expel the air. That's number one problem with that particular syringe. na number 2 we push we are e was say needle nankasa no enko share syringe no mu. So it is a super complex syringe. Yeah, we are not used to it. So there should be some education going with the syringes, the use of it. And kakra bi call hospitals no now mumpe.
Na enipa na okọ krasa syringes ne buy no na onim de use wa ha.
Captain Smart, this is 1,000 million question I mean to me answer.
Okay,
we need the enter omoko paja syringes buy preko.
Okay, we are me answer no to the to so.
Ente Eban Sano, Peter Jima in charge of CMS. No, say syringes here war CMS and move ente no or reduce prices no, so that the syringes will move to the level of the normal syringe price. And like Captain Smart, it's a management issue. Okay, also on your authority, one compare authority no kasa edi to me reduce here. And all this say. He caused a loss of 2 million Ghana cedis. Na Sharia is a Sadia, go and look for the money. So step aside.
And teacher say onoma state ne boka 2 million Ghana cedis.
That is the allegation all the report in the Kai.
Okay. And the honorable Sharia to catch and say on step aside non copis canemra.
Exactly, you should go around and look for the money and bring it back.
Okay,
so that is costing about 2 million for just reducing the prices of the syringes.
Okay.
And take a cry a call out, no. You mean the people paid for the syringe, but the difference of course and 2 million loss. Now, Captain Smart, after the last syringes be brave, after me high quantity, no, your committee take you over first week and then the assignment. And now after the go on. Yeah, prayer who said yeah, we can move those syringes. And to your country, Dr. Siama, on any Kolebu representative, say, on Febin Kolebu, on the nurses, no, on try and get to know all the ins and outs about those syringes. Now, yeah, a multi education program said the syringes will be moved because we found that they were so expensive and we didn't know what to do apart from encouraging nurses, train use. So that was why your committee started say, and unfortunately, say a committee we lasted for just 1 year. Problem after problem.
But problem after problem, na problem ben after problem ben. Alaj, man fakete kuransie. You see, we are living in a country here because of Sanya Maniama Winti or mining to me in without respect to you, I will plead with you. Tell us what happened. What were those problems? We want to know.
Yeah, that is fine. That is fine. And I'm talking because Captain Smart, and it's almost 2 years. Honorable Alexei Befia. I'll give him the word honorable because President Mahama Man, the titled honorable. All the cracks I be Ghana for through the Attorney General said me Alaji Inua. Me kahun na yeshi CMS. And it's I am talking.
Okay.
Because already okay. And people have republished it. It's on WhatsApp, it's on every platform. Say me kahun. And I think that is the greatest disservice that the Attorney General and the Minister of Health would have done to this country.
Okay. Into the boy problems ben and we'll come to
fallacy.
Okay. Yeah, but would you and so.
Yeah.
But no problems ben apart from strangers yasema 2 million ebeshim finfin. Then that will hope people. What was the other problem?
From day one, yeah, terms of reference for your committee no. Now say we have to report to the Minister of Health about the balances, counting of medicines in and health commodities on monthly basis. And now you must summary report on quarterly basis and then yearly basis. Now because I am representing the Minister of head of logistics monitoring, our Minister of Health. And the CMS manual committee, it was additional responsibility on my. And to me, I'm here responsible because representing the Minister of Health, I have to see to it that we count, in fact, the workers count, so that they will give us the figures, we verify, and then report as a committee report to the Minister of Health. It's an oversight responsibility. Captain Smart, first month, no report. Second month, no report. Third month, no report. As a committee, I embarrassed we were embarrassed. We said, no, this cannot go on.
Then to na want to your report first month, second month, and the third month. Okay, bra.
I didn't see me count. How come you run a warehouse and you cannot count? It is completely unacceptable. Now, maybe being a specialist in the area, and now your committee now we started getting embarrassed because they cannot count because in Drone say warehouse it could see straw. So for you to count, you have to bring down some of the medicines. Now, you're congested in withdrawal form. You can't even go to the other side and count. And I say, hey, you have to reorganize the place so that we can count. A dear never organize the forklift ne was and lifted. Captain Smart, ne was 2 forklifts. Forklift meaning now unkofa chucha wires no. Because now a electrical forklift. People say in the warehouse you can't use a diesel powered forklift because a 2 use. And as a friend says smoke. So it's not safe. So Ministry of Health has 2 forklifts, electricals. Now back to work outside. So the electrical ones, Captain Smart, they cut the wires.
Any panel wo ho na ye adwuma na twitwa wire nim.
How much twitwa wires no?
Allahu
Akbar. And he won't me to charge a battery no. And now Captain Smart, we fought hard during that short time. Now country minister. Now minister ordered 2 sets of batteries for us. Batteries in the buy Captain Smart. Yes, started charging. You won't believe it. Now the charging system was cut.
There be nyabutre. Oma me yamashi me more. Minister kwakra battery ni mienu ne bae no. Esisu na charge no. Charging system no bi so san ko twae.
And take Captain Smart to protect it, we have to buy iron rods. No, cage.
Wow.
And na charging system no warehouse one area no your friend say receiving bay warehouse one maybe a jano start here no. And it's in a hiding place. Somebody can hide there and vandalize. So what do? Now you shift it. Now your charging system be between warehouse 4 and 5. And no na cage it goes so that whoever now wants to go and bring down the cage and cut the wire, everybody is looking because that certain security porno, maybe they could see that one. So sana and chair na CMS and share. So back to the counting. Because the cable
mutimi charge wie
new system now we could work with the forklift.
Okay.
But we brought that correction not long before the place got burned.
Okay. So
we were on top of the challenge. We were correcting the challenges one by one. But the most critical one was that running a warehouse without counting. Now, the minister, the 5 of us to oversee the activities. Now, count the place.
To me, I can say there were some people or individuals beyond on person more sabotaging more efforts. No,
Captain Smart. Before God and man, the truth is one. The answer is yes. So we couldn't count because anybody who cuts the wires of a forklift because the person doesn't want the counting to be done. It's simple and straightforward. But we didn't want to target people. We wanted to target issues. Ye meeting na we share me na metro minister na. We won't say ye business no is about action. A DNA tell the minister we need a new cable. He said, we'll take it upon ourselves and make sure that nobody cuts it. People were sleeping there. We asked all of them to leave.
Now for that central medical store.
Now for that central medical store. No money,
no.
Yes. So we asked all of them to leave. Because and then every man na job be kati wire. Now your partner say okufia, we na ko kati wire biam.
Abi.
Your partner say wire katia. Security man, you are the first person to answer a question. But if you have people within the yard, you can ask the security man. So these are the measures we were putting in place, Captain Smart. And Mia say that type of statement was brought up. And like you say, we shouldn't go there for now. It's about what happened. And say, Captain Smart, we had to hire a forklift. And our management committee can say, Alaji, you have to come down and supervise the work. So we put another group of people together because that time, the warehouse manager wasn't helping us. So we had to put the warehouse manager aside. Now, actually, the one who was in charge of receiving another pharmacist to head the team, me, Inua, to supervise them to do the counting. Captain Smart, that was how we hired forklifts with the help of that new pharmacist in charge of just the counting. With me supervising, I put a team together of auditors and accountants. Yes, Captain Smart, in drawing in a bibreu.
Ah! And run
in a bibra spy. They say, okay. Say, drive spy, yeah. Make a check because being a technical man in the committee, your committee and say, look, in Runagu, they are occupying useful space. It doesn't make sense in supply chain management. You need droning in outside so that you have space for new medicine. In the actual Katakoma minister, I drafted the letter. Na minister no, Oti say, hey, in Robi Brewusa, then.
Patrona ye minister ben, na ye minister ben.
Honorable Sharia Ite.
Okay, twaso.
Sharia Ite na minister.
Yo, twaso.
Sharia Ite said the way they mean here. Cesadia may the press men and everybody to go there, and then the world will see what is happening at CMS. And I say, okay, what is the point? The point is that there's a lot of rot there. You are the minister. Why don't you take action? No, I say, okay, what you are here. And it's a sadia, you go for Mumra Meshia Seminamani. So, Captain Smart, I was the one who compiled the expired medicines. I was the one who costed them, and I was the one who drafted the letter for the chairman to sign. Nedi Koma Sharia Iti. Honorable Sharia said, you go Mumra Meshia. Sata not so Sharia said, the Cafracho, Nami law. And tell me, call lecture, Namaba meeting. Now me call you Mejuma. I have no office even at the CMS. And say then say okay. Say Yoko says they share assembly dia. It means that we cannot even ask for the things to be destroyed because it is evidence of what happened. Yes, sir.
Pepe.
Now, me advise the committee Mujitum. Young trauma minister say and our chief director, my permission so that we can remove them from the warehouse, put them outside. Because Sendro would here, and if a Sobia say we will put them under air condition or under shelter because you waste space.
Let's say, Endro na expire no, and the Yasan so air conditions, so.
Because it's a warehouse no more, so by all means, because good ones were on bad ones also, by all means, you have to take care of them.
Okay.
Even the air conditioner, we had problems with it. Now, also the vacuum cooler, also we had problems with it. And also your track cable wires, no, na vacuum cooler, also and also na Juma.
Your track cooler no bad trade wires, Nina.
Captain Smart, we brought a consultant. The consultant, he will come and testify, and he came and met our committee.
Wow.
The bosses. This was not a problem. It was just a wire that was cut, that was moving from the motor to the place. So now I say replace it. He replaced it one day. Na cooler no Juma. And today, if I say for Bason's number, Minister CMS, I will come back to the expired medicine, Captain Smart.
Okay.
Is it okay?
Go ahead.
So Bason's no anti-snake, anti-rabies no. Now you per se, you inform me number CMS so that Obi free say the Bolga bar. Now come Minister of Health for approval. When he gets approval, he will go to Kolebu where we keep the Basons. After they know what drive this by Minister of CMS Tema. Traffic situation in this Accra, that is what we're subjecting our people to.
Oh.
This triangular movement, we said that CMS, it is unacceptable, your committee. We want the vaccines to be brought to CMS so that Nipani free baby about se Sunyanyo, se Bolgo, se Tamale, se Salaga Oba. Now about one spot, get the approving system at the CMS, get the vaccines there, get the medicines. Now, if this is not efficiency, then what else do we need? Captain Smart, we had serious resistance. Me Krata, Nigeria, approve, say, go ahead and bring the vaccines there. Up to today, before Honashele, we got resistance.
Hey.
People didn't want it to happen.
Why?
Captain Smart, I don't know. So back to the expired medicines, After they may say, if Yoko is coming to look into the medicines, and they will say, preserving medicines outside. And I actually chief director and minister will say, oh, say when there is sensible. So after the expired medicines go outside. And outside the CMS, so in the yard, but behind baby a condoms no one. So we packed all the expired medicines behind the wall. And that's where they say, okay, if we put the medicines outside, the rain and the sun can destroy them. And it will be difficult for Yoko to even count. So let's buy tarpaulin. Fortunately, so one of the warehouses now you water tarpaulin. Some international programs need be now you water tarpaulin wo. And the CMS committee no order say you need tarpaulin to cover all the expired medicines. So we covered all the medicines outside. And so at that point, Captain Smart, when you enter the CMS, the first thing you see is the heap of expired medicines.
Oh, what's all your costing? No, not what is saying.
So see, I can't see by several millions of Ghana cedis.
Several millions of Ghana cedis. Okay.
So so anybody who enters there will be embarrassed by those medicines. But that was not my problem. That was not the problem of the CMS Management Committee. Who was the one who bought those medicines and brought them there? That is their problem. Ohona Jano Stati, Captain Smart.
A Jano Shas, you know. When and now they pick up the fire tender anymore.
Captain Smart said, my country said that is, you know, I wasn't there. So I was the one who escorted the pickup there.
When are they pick up no call?
The fire tender, because you know, me escorting the call. Because that time I just shared that many Idris Kasa. Or country Salaji, the fire situation is getting worse. And I Mr. Sebi Nyamiadum, I have access to the Deputy Coordinator of National Security. So me briefing no say, Chief, your situation, you say yeah, west so you see 10 days war. And also, yes, he had his own briefing from his security people on the ground there. Now I show you reinforcement. So he secured that big jumbo, the CNO, Captain Smart. So Mr. Say almost the P, almost do a shama switch over. No, not so I was moving to the CMS. So I called one big man at the CMS who was at the site, say, how is the fire? He said, oh, don't worry, the place is even finished, don't worry. You see, here, the fire tender back. That's when I won't mention the name of the person. Now, Captain Smart, me lead you, or my home somewhere confused. They say, no, pass here. Now, me lead you almost straight to the CMS. I rehearsed they say, when the fire tender people got there, you know, the jumbo is the one that can shoot fire water from the top. Instead of saying, go run CMS inside, almost right side to a different yard altogether. Now, me say, Massa, it won't help us. No, we are the professionals. We work according to wind direction. So the woman said, you know, at that time, the place was burning from the right side towards the left. From warehouse 1 towards warehouse 5, they going. And from you now call left side. So you now call left. So to avoid the smoke, they went to the right side. Unfortunately, at that time, the warehouse 1 was already burned. So their water could only reach warehouse 1. It was burning warehouse 2. So their water couldn't help. And I understand that because there was no mask. They couldn't have gone into the smoke. So that's what happened that day, Captain Smart. So the fire started from the expired medicines.
Okay.
Now,
the fire started from the expired medicines.
Wow. And I'll tell you frankly, from the way people describe it, it caught fire at once. And how come tablets and syrups and things, blisters tablets? How come the thing caught fire so quickly? There must be something more combustible in that rubbish that somebody might have put there.
Nature say, who suspect say, obi the bibi pete so.
If it is not the cause of God and it's caused by human being, that is how I think.
Okay. Are there a severe, within 24 hours, yet he said, na yakofa bulldozers, and yama beso say, yam sesa debris ni na mfriho. Ayampa.
Captain Smart.
Large.
And listen to me one because normally when there's a fire, everybody is supposed to stay away until the place is properly assessed. But unfortunately, within 24 hours, they started carrying the things away.
Hey.
And I was wondering who was the one who had the audacity to do that. Because as much as I knew, there was no instruction from anybody or any Ministry of Health say they should start evacuating. So who went and organized the bulldozers and all of a sudden they started, and at that, the American security men by I happened to be on the side there. That was where they stood. And I told myself, how can these people help us? The BNI came. I said, how can they help us? Because some people have started collecting the debris from that point. Who did that? I don't know.
Oh.
So did this Alessegbefia's statement, Attorney General statement, take note of all these things? You just put a name of 12 people out there. How can 12 people who don't talk to each other come together to even try plan to burn a place? It doesn't make sense.
Na ebane say na NADMO any EPA for na say womo clear hono ye je adwuma no fi womo nsem.
Yeah, so bulldozers no na tipper truck started from the one, so almost the BNI came and stopped them. They said, look, this is a security, your friends said, when there's a fire, they call it something, I've forgotten the name right now. Crime site or something, yes. So they have to call it off. Nobody is supposed to go in. So what happens is that they were stopped. And now, the minister now had time to think through and said, okay, these are shots because of the needles, chemicals, so many things were there. So you cannot just carry them away like that. So a committee was formed by the chief director. And that committee was formed at NADMO. NADMO had the police, EPA people, that's the Environmental Protection Agency people, and the Ministry of Health, and I was representing the Ministry of Health at that point. My director was supposed to go, but she couldn't go, so she asked me to represent the Ministry of Health on that committee. So, and then Food and Drugs Board people were on that committee. Captain Smart, we started meeting. So the committee went to site, and then we went to the dumping site at, how do you call that place? Boom. To look at an environmental disposal no, in an environmental friendly manner. So it almost costed the beer. NADMO said, look, we will use our own vehicles. We will use our bulldozers, all free of charge. All the ministry has to do is to bring fuel, then grease the bulldozers. That's all. And I had the minister. At that time, it is Alessegbefiah who had come up to take over.
Okay.
So, unfortunately, no, at that time it was this minister, Mr. Ajima.
Okay.
So, at the time that we completed the assessment and were ready to take off, there was a change. So, Honorable Segefia came. All of a sudden, the committee work was pushed aside, and then before I realized, Zoom Lion moved in and cleared the place.
Who moved in?
Zoom Lion, they went and cleared the place.
Okay. Alaj, Yem fancy her.
Captain Smart.
My producer will speak to you off air.
Captain Smart.
Yes, Alaj.
Me Paucho, can I give just 2 minutes, 1 minute for just something small?
That's okay, go ahead.
I think once I'm on air, this is extremely important for me.
Okay, go ahead.
I want to put it on record. That number one, expired medicine no me alaji no na me leading crofo no mu yeyi ndro no go outside na me chiro krata na share day case no call yoko. Now number two, let me say we started on January 2014. So the place got burnt on 13th January 2015. That's exactly 1 year. Captain Smart, when we realized there were so many problems, the committee asked me to get the minister's attention. So December, me come minister office 3 times, and the minister agreed to meet us. Somebody went and changed the date. At that time, Sheriadi has gone. So it was Honorable Ajiman who came. So Honorable Ajiman came at the time when we wanted to meet him. And at that time, the new chief director was coming, who's Dr. Sylvester Animana. And now I have some relationship with him. So I told Dr. Animana that we have a lot of problems at CMS. So we need the minister's attention. I said, no problem. Once I take over from MOH again, I will organize the meeting. God permitting, on 7th January, with your Captain Smart. On 7th January, we had a meeting with the minister, Honorable Ajima Mensah. And we stated all the problems to him with the chief director. Chairman, yes, I meeting with the minister. We told the minister about all the problem in the CMS, and I have the report, and we presented the report to him. So he asked the chief director to do some corrections at the ministry. And 1 week after the meeting, the CMS got bent.
Yesu Christo.
So I want that to be on record.
Pacho, minister to me explain the entire Nadmoni EPA. Any one aka ebe kwa clear hono. Ade omu hia ye diesel. Otimi che the entire na on pese on be ye adwuma no free amaye. Na mum na se ye tueska ema zoom lion no mo ye se adwuma no.
So because Honorable Ajima Mensa time now OCSA meet a group no na committee no start adwuma no. But unfortunately, as an we assessment and readiness for work on your core site, on left, and then Alex Egbefia came. So it was Alex Egbefia who put aside that committee work and then offered some brand clear.
What me, ma'am, any explanation to that effect?
Hey, now, meaning why I may be Alex Egbefia the entire yes idea. They didn't hear the case to write back to the committee. So now the committee will be wondering, Minister or representative, what happened? But what is planning? Because to me, even meet again. At that time, we couldn't meet again. They were expecting that the ministry would give us a go-ahead. All of a sudden, we heard that Honorable Shegbefia sent people in to go and clear the place. That's all.
Alhaji Noah Yusuf. So Obitina baby no catch him say evidence ni ho. E was Central Medical Stores ho a. Nipa no nse bro.